A is for armadillo, rolling up tight. It curls like a ball when it gets a fright. B is for bunny, with ears that hop. It munches on carrots and never will stop. C is for chick, just hatched from a shell. It peeps and it chirps and fluffs up so well. D is for deer, so quiet and shy. It runs through the woods when people walk by. E is for elk, with antlers so wide. It stands in the forest with gentle pride. F is for ferret, long and thin. It plays hide and seek with a mischievous grin. G is for goose, waddling near. Honk, 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 it's always clear. H is for hippo, big and round. It splashes in rivers and stomps on the ground. I is for iguanodon from the past, a dino who walk both slow and fast. J is for jay, a bird that's blue. It sings in trees with a call so true. K is for kit, a fox so small. It plays in the grass and answers your call. L is for lion with a mighty roar. It rules the land with a voice we adore. M is for mole, digging a hole. It lives underground in a secret role. N is for nanny goat, chewing on hay. It bleats and skips through the barnyard all day. O is for ocelot, quiet and fast. It hides in trees and walks right past. P is for puppy, full of delight. It wiggles and barks from morning to night. Q is for quokka, cute and bright. It grins in the sun and hops just right. R is for rat, with whiskers so long. It squeaks and scampers all day long. S is for swan, with feathers so white. It glides on the water, a beautiful sight. T is for tortoise, slow and wise. It carries its house and never cries. U is for urchin, with spines all around. It lives in the sea where treasure's found. V is for vervet, a monkey with cheer. It swings through the trees when people get near. W is for wombat, chubby and low. It digs in the dirt and moves real slow. X is for xanthus, a hummingbird sweet. It flutters its wings with a speedy beat. Y is for yak, with a long woolly coat. It stays warm and strong in a mountain remote. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white. It gallops in grasslands, a dazzling sight. Thanks for singing the ABCs with us and meeting so many awesome animals. If you had fun, be sure to like, subscribe it, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.